Come in. Well, 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 look who's here. I haven't seen you in many a year.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. I just wanted to come on for a couple of minutes because today has been a great day. First of all, the cameraman went downstairs to get in his car to go pick up the Sunday newspaper, and look what the mailman had left in the garage. I guess it was open yesterday because the cameraman was doing some yard work, and the mailman just put it there and we didn't find it until this morning. So this was a big surprise, and I'm like, what could possibly be in here? I'm just a small YouTuber, so I don't get anything to review and I don't get presents in the mail, so it was exciting. So anyway, we opened it up and whoa! I said, what the heck is this? And in here was so much stuff. And I'm like, where did this come from? And I found out that it came from Kathleen sent it, and her channel is what? The Show About Everything. That's what it's called. And her show is about everything. It's about high-end shopping, but also home decor, fitness, eating, conversations about everyday problems faced by women over 45 years old, such as second marriages. But I think it's really the 5 F's. That's right. It's fashion, fitness, food, fabulous, let me think what the other ones are, friends, and fads. That's it. I think that covered it all. I think that was 5. Was that 6 or 5? Well, anyway, you get the picture. She has a great channel, and I had no idea I was going to get all these goodies in the mail. And she's one of my subscribers, and with my name being Baking Diva, you should see what she sent me. She sent me things related to baking and things related to a diva. Look at this. It's a beautiful glitter. Oh, look at this thing. A planner. Oh, and everybody knows I have glitter running through my veins. And look at this. Oh my goodness, so much stuff. She's got face masks in here. Coconut water face masks. Look at all this stuff. Hand sanitizers, and they're really nice brands. Oh, look at this. And I just read about this on YouTube. Lumify. It's those drops for your eyes that are supposed to take away the red fast. and I just can't even go through everything. Avalon Organics, Daily Moisturizer. These are all part of the beauty end of my channel. Wrinkle therapy. I need that with CoQ10 and rose hip in it. My goodness. And there's just sunscreen, Albus Botanical Sunscreen. I'm in shock. Makeup remover pads by La Fresh. Look at this. Dr. Dennis Gross's self-tanner for my face. And I could go on and on and on. Another face mask. So much in here. More makeup wipes. I was thrilled. Look at this adorable little box. Has matchsticks in it. And then she threw in a lot of things regarding baking. Look. Well, here, this is good. This will keep me fit. An Atkins caramel chocolate nut roll bar. Look at this. Oh, this is really cool. This is a spatula spoon for my baking. She's got all kinds of sprinkles in here and nonpareils. Perfect. Oh, look, little cupcake liners, a Cliff Bar. What is this? A self-heating 1-minute mask. A fork. The ultimate kitchen fork. Oh, this is a 2-in-1 tool. And look at this. chocolate coconut collagen peptide drink mix. And last but not least, she sent me this. Guess she thinks I'm a star. So anyway, Kathleen from the channel What? The show about everything. Thank you so much. I'm going to put her link down below in the description box if anybody would like to go over when the video's over and pay her a visit and subscribe to her channel. Remember, she has all those F's. Let me make sure I have them right. She's got fashion, fitness, food, fads, friends, and the sixth one is just her channel is about being fabulous. So thank you, Kathleen. It doesn't take much to get me excited, as you can see. I'm just not used to getting surprises in the mail. So anyway, the other thing I wanted to do is I wanted to wish the cameraman a very happy anniversary. My hair's going cuckoo.
Thank you very much for remembering.
Now, today's our wedding anniversary. A little while, we're going to head out to a beautiful restaurant. We're going to have a nice meal. But since Kathleen and her channel sent me all these exciting goodies, I believe in paying it forward. So this is what I'm going to do. For anybody that makes a comment down below and guesses how many years the cameraman and I have been married, I will send them a surprise gift. Now you have to be a subscriber of mine, and if more than one person guesses the right number, then we'll put them in a bowl the old-fashioned way and we'll pull out a name. So does that sound good? What do you think, cameraman?
Sure. Is there a deadline?
Thank you for reminding me. The deadline is this coming Wednesday. I believe that's September 11th. No, I don't like that date. I'm going to make it...
September 11th is Tuesday.
Oh, cameraman, you're always right. All right, we're going to leave the deadline on Wednesday, September 12th.
What time?
I would say Wednesday, September 12th. What time do you think, cameraman?
Make it 12 noon Eastern time.
All right, 12 noon Eastern time. So anyway, someone will get a big surprise from me. And who knows? Maybe they'll pay it forward for someone else. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go down below, this hair, and hit that subscribe button. Make your comment if you want to be included in the surprise giveaway. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for taking a little time out of your day to indulge me in this thank you. Thank you again, Kathleen. And I will see you all very soon. Toodles!